Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. If you want to see how I got this super cute nail design, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is how I started. This is my Cocoa Gel Up nails that I did about 2-3 weeks ago, and we're getting ready to do a refill. So the first thing that we're going to do is obviously remove the previous color, and it should look like this. And then I'm going to file and shape the nails the way that I want them to look, because obviously they're grown out, they're a little bit too long for me, so I'm gonna get them back in shape. After that, I'm just going to grab my platinum filler base and I'm going to do a slip layer on all the nails, and this slip layer is going to guide the gel to where it needs to go basically. And once I cure that for about 10 seconds, it should look like this. And then I'm going to take that platinum fill up gel again and going to grab a little bead of that, and I'm going to drop it on the nail close to the cuticle, but not too close where it's touching the skin. And there you go, I dropped a little bead, and then I'm going to walk it from sidewall to sidewall, well, from side to side without touching the cuticle. And then I'm going to basically bring it down the nail, and just in a little swinging motion from side to side all the way to the tip. Once I do that, I'm going to take my liner brush and I'm going to get even closer to the side walls and the cuticle, and I'm going to flash it in place for about 10 seconds. So while I'm working on the rest of my nails, the gel is not slipping and sliding all over the place. Okay, so I'm going to show you a second time. I'm dropping the bead. I am pushing it towards the cuticle and walking it from side to side. And after I do that, I'm going to drag it down the middle of the nail from one side to the other. This step is pretty much repetitive. I'm going to do this for the rest of my nails. I'm definitely going to show you one more time on my pinky finger, and then from there we're going to start designing the nails. So yeah, you guys, how you guys been? I did not upload last week. I hope you guys had an amazing 4th of July weekend. I sure did. So yeah, I've been, taking it slow this month, but you know what? I'm not going to let life get to me, and I decided, you know what, post the video, girl. So I'm posting the video. Okay, so give me a thumbs up and comment down below what else you want to see from me, because I've been consistent this whole year and I'm not gonna let life stop me. Okay, and I hope you don't let life or anybody for that matter stop your plans. Okay, so this is how they should look after you do the fill. After that, you're going to clean them up by grabbing some alcohol and a brush and just give them a nice scrub to remove any residue or any stickiness or anything that got attached to the nail. And then I'm going back with my file and my buffer to finish file and give me the nice crisp shape that I want. And then I'm going to buff the nail to remove any shininess, and then we're going to get to the fun part, which is the design. For this design, I went more color, a little bit more fun. I've been in my neutrals bag the last I don't know how many months and years, just neutrals. So for this set, I decided to do some color, and yeah. So I'm using this DNC color 241. It's called Light Salmon. It's this super pretty, like shiny color, and I did that all over the nails. And then I'm using this plate for Maniology. It is M360, and I'm going to use 2 shapes from this plate, and I'm definitely using my little sticky rolling thing right here to clean up my stamping plate, my stamper. I can't even talk. I'm using this color right here. I think it's called Rosebud, and I'm going to drop it on the shape that I want to use. Once you drop the polish, you're going to pick up your card, your little scraper, and you're going to scrape off the excess color, and then take your stamper. You're going to pick up the stamp, and you're going to drop it on the desired location of the nail that you want it. And I'm going to show you this a couple more times because I used 2 different plates and 2 different colors. Okay, this is the second plate that I'm using. It's also by Maniology, and the number is M300. And I'm going to use the little wiggly shape on the top right. And I'm going to use this kind of like to give me like a French, like a diagonal French look. And of course, I'm adding my top coat from XoXo on all the nails, and then I'm going to cure it for about 30 seconds, and that pretty much completes the look, you guys. Let me know what you think of this set. I thought is so, I think, not I thought because I still have them on. I think they're super cute. They're girly. They're fun for the summertime. Like I said before, I don't do a lot of color, so I decided to step out my comfort zone. And if I do color, it's usually like pinks and purples and like girly colors. So yeah, let me know what you think of the set. Let me know what else you want to see from me, and make sure you follow my social media accounts. I will link everything down below. Make sure you comment, you like, and you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.
Yeah, alright. Check. I had to hit that slide out so these niggas know me. And I been in my hideout, had to pump that, get that thump back. Hit low 1-2 step, I run that, get that boom bap dumping. Make your mind step to the side and make your soul want to sing like ooh, ooh. the one to sing. Ooh, ooh, I've been rolling, ain't no holding back. I owe me for them years of pushing music over dollar. Now my present.